How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here with the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the final on the Porsche group build, hosted by Mr. BG, Brian, Chucky Monster, Old Chucky, and Luka C. Matt. Alright guys, this is what I've done. Yeah, you get a twofer here. I know it's a Porsche group build, but you're getting the Porsche Transporter too. Yes, it's a Volkswagen, but it's a Porsche Transporter. And that's what it is. So what we got going on is we got the Monogram / Aurora 904 Porsche. And as you see, the Jason from Blue Ox Models, he had a heck of a time trying to build his, and as did I. I had a little bit more luck as far as fit issues, but my paint messed up, so hence the weathered look. It looks like it's raced 24 hours of Le Mans, and it's being transported back. So, therefore, this is my race team. Alright, the bed. The bed is the USCP, say it's what is that? Ukrainian scale car products. That's the extension there. Let's see, I got the decals off old Mr. Tom Rambler 69. Thank you very much. And yeah, she's done in a beige color like the car would, or the bus would have been. The dark maroon. I looked at pictures on the internet. The seats, the door panels were that dark maroon, so I followed it throughout the inside as the outside. Let's see, the Transporter is a Volkswagen pickup extended, and it is curbside, so no engine detail. So that's what that is. But the meat and potatoes is this is a Porsche group build, so there you go. You just get the whole team with me. And as you can see, let's give that little spin around here for you guys. And then I'll show you here in just a second, each of them individually. Let y'all take a gander at it. It was a fun build other than a few issues, but, you know, that is what it is with model building. And, hey, I forgot to thank my subscriber. Thank you. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This channel will never ask you for nothing, guys. It won't ask you for a thing. Just like, share, and subscribe. And anybody I mention, I always leave a link in the description below. Go check out all the people in this wonderful, and I do mean wonderful, community. And it's the best modeling community out there. You got your YouTubes and your Insta whatever, Facegrams and all that stuff. This is by far the best. So with that being said, let you get another little gander of that before I take it off this little whirly jigger here. And yeah, the thing's so long it wouldn't fit on my whirly jigger, so I put it on my old antique license plate off my old Volkswagen. And there she goes, guys. Now then, let's take it off here. And I can get up close and personal and show you what I got going on. Let's move this stuff out to the way. Alright. Now then, let's get in frame here. I'm going to turn this thing over, show you the bottom of it. There is the underneath part of the transaxle engine and exhaust and suspension. There's the front suspension. There's how she be. Alright, so that's that one. Well, let's see if I can get you on the inside. There will be pictures at the end of this. Hopefully you can get some better pictures. Y'all can't see in the bottom of that, but this thing has no pedals whatsoever, so I had to make them myself. And of course you can't see them, but they're there. They are in there. The shifter, everything's in there. So let me take this thing off here. Sorry, I'm out of camera here, guys, but oh, and here's the inside of the bed. You can see I put the wood slats. That is for the tires to fit on. That's done in, I think I did it in acrylic tans and browns. And then I did a orange, Tamiya orange clear over it to make, and I learned that from Charlie Mack, to make the wood accents. So let's move that bad boy out of the way. But, like I said, the meat and potatoes of this thing. See if I can rig this camera down here a little bit more here. Okay. Let's show you what we got going on. First of all, here is the underneath. She is heavily weathered. You can see the exhaust, the engine. You can see she is weathered up. Something I want to point out here is I hollowed out these little vents, and they actually have mesh in them, if you can see that. I don't know. Let's get some light on it here and see if we can get it. There we go. Can you see the mesh there, guys? Actual mesh. You can see down to the carburetors. I did the same thing in the back. That's actual mesh. You can see, boy, I got that really weathered up. She looks like she's raced 24 hours of Le Mans, let me tell you. And we have operational hood, or bonnet. And we have the fuel cell, the spare tire. We have photo etched seat belts. I don't know that you can see them, but they are in there. We got the wood grained steering wheel and the shift knob. And the panels, the instrument panels are done up and cleared and everything, but you'll never see it. There is your front Porsche wheel. Look at that. Very nice. Dechromed, weathered, painted. Let's shut this up. There is the back wheel. Let's go to this side. Same situation. Look at that. She looks like she's got that tire grime and the filth from rain and everything. Now let's take this off. Now I could not get that to latch up, guys, how, you know, it opens like this. But it does come on and off real easy, so I'm not worried about that. Now, here is the engine bay. You see the transaxle. You can see the tank. You can see I wired up 2 distributors. It has 2 distributors. Did not come with coils. I made my own coils. I got 2 coils there. The battery was not placed right there. It showed inside here, but I've looked on the internet. Some of them are here. Some of them are on the inside. I put mine on the outside. It is wired. Dual carburetors. The only thing I didn't do was the linkage on the carburetors, but it is what it is. I had to chrome the roll bar. It did not come chrome. Hopefully y'all can see that. There's my exhaust. Had to drill out the exhaust. Did not have a hole in it. You can see the transaxles coming out there. Other than that, guys, I don't know what to tell you other than there's the weathering. Other than stick around at the end. And here is the front view of it. I don't know if you can't, with the weathering on it, you can't really see into the headlights, which that's all right, because it's painted black in there, and that's the way it's supposed to be. That's the way I did it. I had to make my own little Porsche emblems on the side. I thought I had lost them. There's emblems that go on this, the decal sheet that go on there. I thought I lost them, so I printed some off and just cut them out and just made them. I don't have a decal paper or anything. I just made them, cut them out. They look all right. I mean, ain't the best, but then after I did all that, had already had them placed and everything, I found the decals. But it is what it is, so screw it. All right, guys. Let's put them right there both together. That way you can get a visual of what's going on here. Boy, ain't that a good sight, guys. That is one awesome race team. Thank Luka C, Chucky, and Brian for throwing this. Appreciate y'all guys. Like I said, anybody I mentioned is in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Love you.